Hey ACR fam, Editor Naya here. So I just realized that I never did an intro for this video, so let me go ahead and do an intro. What's poppin' ACR fam? I hope all is well. Make sure you comment down below how y'all are doing. Today's video, I will be getting braids for the very first time in 5 years. Yes, it's been 5 years. The last time I got individual braids was back in 2019. I know if y'all probably seen my channel for a while, back in 2021 I think, when I had went on my vacation, I had got stitch braids. I don't really call those braids because it's something quick and easy. I'm talking about actual individual braids. I haven't got it in a very long time. I just been wearing wigs and my natural hair. I wanted to get back into that look. When I used to have braids, I used to look so good. Y'all know that 2025 is coming up, and by the time y'all see this video, it will be 2025. I'm currently recording this video December 20th, 2024. So this is before Christmas, before New Year's. So before I even finish off this intro, I just want to say Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all Christmas. Make sure you put in the comments how y'all Christmas was, which y'all got, etc. And also a happy New Year to everyone. I pray that everyone's 2025 is much better than 2024. Me personally, 2024 was actually a rough year for me, but I'm praying that it gets better in 2025, and I just have hope in it. I believe in God, trust in God, and I've been praying to God every day for it to get better, and I'm just looking forward to whatever He has in store for me. But I hope you guys' 2024 went well, and if it didn't, God is going to make it better in 2025. We're speaking it, okay? So happy New Year. If y'all want to tell me y'all goals, just let me know in the comments. If y'all have any new plans, let me know in the comments. And thank you for everybody who's been rocking with me since I started this channel in 2020. I love each and every one of y'all. So yes, I hope y'all enjoy this video, and I like it. Personally, me looking at this video, I like it. It was quick and easy, and yeah, y'all just be seeing me getting dolled up, and y'all know how they say New Year, new me. Well, it's New Year, new look. So enjoy this video, and I love y'all so much. And yeah, watch me turn into a baddie getting knotless braids.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really did know you are.
This is a real one, baby. I'm telling you, Chi-Town stand up. South side, we gon' set this party off right. West side, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I promise, she's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college. That major that she majored and don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore, 3 girls ain't picked a career. She like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do it, cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new ears, cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexis. She had hair so long that it looked like weave. To the grocery store without some ones that's clean and a shirt with a team. It's seen. We live in the American dream. The people high up got the lowest. Smiling in my nigga, knock out all your 30 times. Jizz and diamond ring, shine because they hate us, floss because they the greatest. We tryna buy back our 40 acres, and for that paper, look how low we stoop. And when it all falls down, I say fuck the police, that's how I treat them. We buy our way out of jail, but we can't buy freedom. We'll buy a lot of clothes, but we don't really need them. Things we buy to cover up what's inside, cause they made us hate ourselves and love they wealth. That's why shorty silent with a ball is at. Drug dealer by joint, crack here by crack, and a white man get paid off for all of that. But I ain't even gonna act totally other than that, cause fuck it, I want you to take up with 25 down. Before I had a house and I do it again, cause I wanna be the 106 and bar, wishing the bands. I want to all perfect like it's all terrific. I got a couple past bills, I won't get specific. I got a problem with spending before I get it. We all self-conscious, I'm just the first to admit it. Yeah, on, come on. And when it falls down, who you gonna fall down? Come on, come on. And when it all falls down, Southside, Southside, we gon' set this party off right. Westside, Westside, we gon' set this party off right. Shot-town, Shot-town, we gon' show them how we get down. So they need just like a safe belt, save my life.
Braids, and yeah, I'm excited. So this is my full hot mess to a bed.
That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, I know that I'll never find myself.
Uber Eats order for Anaya. Uber Eats. Y'all, my head is pounding like a mother ever. So I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. I need to rest.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty for my cellular. No. You don't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl.
Hey y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear me because my two fans is on. Excuse me if it's loud. But today is the next day. It is picture day. It is Sunday and I have to get ready for Bible study in like 30 minutes. Tonight I will be taking pictures for my Instagram. I haven't posted pictures on Instagram in like a whole year. The last time I posted was when I moved here, and that was a year ago. Follow me at Chanel Renee. It will be right here so y'all can see my hair and stuff, how it turned out. I just gave y'all a little sneak peek last night. I was extremely tired. My head, it was going crazy. It was booming. Let me just show y'all the outfit that I'm about to wear. I got two different sets, but I will only be wearing one. I went to Shein to buy something. It's either Shein or Fashion Nova where I buy my clothes at. Blue fit, I'm gonna put this on right here. I also have a pink fit. I think I'm gonna wear the pink fit, even though the blue fit would have went better with Christmas. I just wanted to wear the pink fit. I was just excited to wear it since y'all know my favorite color is pink. And my bed, y'all, for looking crusty. I just got up like a few minutes ago. My bed is not even made yet. I look a mess. I still need to get in the shower, brush my teeth. So I'm just talking with a full-blown breath. You feel me? Good thing I can't smell it. The outfit is an all pink fit. I'll put the picture on the side, and also you guys will see me in it. It is this long flare pants. And nice and comfortable. I'm starting to really like two-piece sets. It's so easy to just throw on and then go about your day. And then here is the shirt to match with it. It's a crop top. My belly will be showing a little bit, just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna make sure these pants is all the way up so it can cover most of my belly. And I also have this long cardigan from Shein as well. This cardigan feels comfortable. I had wore it for Thanksgiving and I like it a lot. It keeps me warm as well. I probably can go outside with this cardigan, not right now because now it's like 20, 30, 40 degrees. I know it's winter time, but probably early spring when it's like 60, I could just wear this by itself with no coat. Yeah, it's just an all black cardigan. And the shoes I'm wearing is just something simple. It's just these slippers, these black slippers, just to go with my cardigan. And then it also goes with my purse as well. Here's the purse right here. You can put it on you as a strap on, and then you can also wear it like this. Something simple, just on the side. It's a small purse that I could just put a couple items in if I do not want to carry a big one. I got this from Shein as well. I caught it on a Black Friday sale. I think the original price was like 20, but I got it for like 10. These are the accessories that I'm wearing. It's some rings, and then it's also a no favorites chain. Something simple, cute, just to make the pictures pop out. Y'all know I love my accessories. I can't go nowhere with no accessories. That's just something quick that I'm going through for like 5 minutes. Here's the bracelets that I'm wearing. Then I also got some hoop earrings. I don't know where it's at. I put it somewhere in my bed, but it's hoop earrings. It's a different color. It's not silver gold, it's white. Something different. My lip glosses, it is pink flare. I got this from Target. If y'all look at my lip gloss collection video that I made, I think 3 years ago, y'all would know what this is. And I got my lip gloss, and I also have, what's this on my finger? Oh, it's a sticker. And then I also have my mascara. So yeah, that's what I will be wearing. And then after I do Bible study, I will be doing my nails and my feet. I will show y'all that once I'm finished with Bible study. And I think I'm gonna do my toes first, take a shower, then come out and do my nails. You know, I think that's better to do. We'll show you guys that after I'm done with Bible study, so I'll catch y'all then.
Ain't ready if you ask, you don't run away. You don't know you need to bag every Monday. Watch this, got the bands in my pockets. $100 bands, never watch this. You ain't know I got.
Wow.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up. With the bitches, I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us.
Wow.
That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of?
Okay, so this is after the hair appointment, after I'm all dressed. Accessories is on, rings, nails, everything done, feet done, hair done, nails done, everything did. Let me show y'all my feet. Hold on. Feet is done, nails. Yeah, outfit of the day. I'm wearing all pink from Shein. And this is how I look. Baddie.